want to tell you about the number one opportunity in the world. Everybody is getting the opportunity to earn thousands of millions of rupees every day. The company that is giving you this golden opportunity, its name is DRIGO Info Shop. If you want to get more information about this company, then visit www.drigoinfoshop.com. As you all know, through the social media application, advertisement is getting very huge business, and these companies are already working in the social media application based program. This company decided to have such an affiliate program where the users can also get the money, and along with this, company also gives you the opportunity to work from home. If you also want to benefit yourself through this opportunity, then you will get rupees 400 from the online portal of the company. 3 discount coupons should be purchased for rupees 1200. As soon as you buy these coupons, the company gives you 6 types of income: advertising bonus, direct affiliate bonus, direct sponsored leadership bonus, leadership advertising bonus, admin magic bonus, and the last but not the least is royalty bonus. So let me tell you about your first income, advertising bonus. Here the company will give you 20 links every day which you have to share on social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook. The company will give you 20 rupees a day. Remember, you have to share this link on your social media every day, for which company gives you an income of 20 rupees a day, 600 rupees per month. Second, direct affiliate bonus, where if you refer this link to your friends or tell them to do this work from home, so the company gives you 100 rupees for this only once. For example, if you refer this link to one person, then you give rupees 100 to a person, rupees 200 to two people, rupees 300 to a person. You will give a rupees 100 company to each person as much as you refer this link. Third income, direct sponsor leadership bonus, where you start earning from 20 levels. Your friends whom you refer this link get 100 rupees, but together you start building a team. While it gets ready from there to start your journey, where you get 100 rupees from the first level but 20 rupees from the second level to the 10 rupees from third level to fifth level, as the amount of this income increases as your level increases. Some are according to it that from the 6th level to the 10th level, the income comes to 5 rupees. You get 4 rupees income at the 11th level. You get an income of 3 rupees from 12th to 15, 2 rupees from 16 to 18, and 1 rupee from 19 to 20. Fourth income, leadership advertising bonus. Now let us know about our fourth income, which is leadership advertising bonus. Here the company gives you 100 rupees for the promotion, but at the same time you get 5 rupees a day for whatever you have direct. If you further promote this link to 10 people, then according to 5, 10 people get 50 rupees, and if those 10 people have promoted 10 on the second level, then there you get 400 rupees per day, according to 4 rupees a day. In the same way, if those 100 people refer this link to 10 people, then 1000 people are made on your third level, and according to that, for 3 rupees per day, you get rupees 3000 according to the amount. And if they promote 1000 people and 10 people on the fourth level, then 10,000 people are added to your team, and you get an income of 20,000 rupees per day for 2 days. It starts if these people further promote 10 people, then on the 5th level your team becomes of 1 lakh people, and here the company gives you 1 lakh rupees per day for 1 rupee. If these 1 lakh people and 10 people are promoted, then you get 6th level and your team becomes a 10 lakh people, and the company gives you 50 lakh rupees per day for 5 rupees. In this way, as you move, you can get more income, and to get this income, you need to have a direct check at every level, meaning whoever has a direct 10, then 10 of these 10 levels are opened. Fifth income, admin magic bonus. Our fifth income is the admin magic bonus, where any team you are on earns an income ranging from 1 level to 20 level. 10% of that income is distributed equally to the members who complete the 20 level. Let's do it. And sixth income is royalty income. And lastly, royalty income, which is our best income, last income. Here I want to tell you that till date you have applied all the royalty income in the market. There are some conditions, you will not find any conditions here. If you have promoted this system to any single person here and then started working, then whenever a team of 100 people will be formed, then 100 rupees of your day starts. If 1000 teams are formed, so you can get 1000 rupees per day from the company. If the team becomes of 10,000 people from 1 to 10 levels, then the company gives you a 10,000 rupees per day. And the same thing becomes a 1 lakh people within 1 to 10, then you can get a 1 lakh rupees according to 1 rupee per day. If you don't promote the other, even then and did not promote the third, because if the person does one thing, he tries to tell as many people as possible, because he also has to make his income. And if any person started doing this work in a full swing, then you can get this royalty benefit like this, guys. More and more people are earning thousands of millions of rupees a day under a business plan of this company. If you also want to earn money through this work from home, then for more information about the company who shared this link with you, contact them and take steps to make your career. Thank you.